Hello viewers, are you experiencing Messenger friends profile picture not showing problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all, check your internet connection and make sure your internet connection is stable. And then find Messenger apps. Now tap and hold on Messenger apps. Open Messenger app info. Tap on I button or app info. Now scroll down. Tap on storage option. Tap on clear cache. Press on back button. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and go to Play Store or App Store and update your Messenger apps. So tap on Search app, search Messenger, and then update your Messenger apps. After completing update process, now restart your phone. After completing restart process, now go to Messenger and check your problem solved successfully. If still you are facing this problem, that means Messenger server is down right now. So wait few times. After few times, it will be solved automatically.